Good morning, it's Monday, it's just after 6 and we're heading off to Stoke On Trent, just about to pick up Tom, going tractor shopping. He's looking for a Massey Ferguson 2680, got two to look at today, so we'll catch up with you later. Quick stop off at Leicester East Forest Services for breakfast, thank you Tom, it was very nice. Back to the Chariot for another 59 miles. And then we're there. They're good tools, I have to say.
Hey?
They're good, strong tools.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they hold the ground well.
Yeah, I remember doing some playing with a 2642 wheel drive one, and it just was phenomenal.
Yeah, first farm I started working out was a time. What was Brian's? Was it 3080 or 3085?
3085 that was.
3085 house truck. So yeah, I kind of toyed between, something a bit more early like this, or whether to go for a 3000 series or 3085, but it's, drove Dave. There isn't many about, and they're only going up and down. Yeah, so that's the other thing, is trying to persuade them.
It is! You'll fucking tear over that edge up. Yeah. We've had a couple of 3085s in the past, and the clutch tends to drop off sometimes. 3085s and stuff, 3095s.
Hey, you just sold the 3085 down the yard now.
Oh.
Sold it Saturday. It's 40k though.
Yeah. Well, he's not too interested in the speed or anything. Because I've got a 2645. Yeah. Nice bit of black reek. You like that? We do like that. She sounds lovely. Yeah, definitely. It's for 140 horsepower, that one, isn't it? I think it's 140. Yeah, I think that clutch is something that you'll get used to.
It doesn't bother me.
It is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is what it is. This was the last stop on our road trip. We started off looking at a Massey Ferguson 2680 in Stoke On Trent. Lovely straight tractor. Had a few issues on the front axle and bits and pieces, but nothing to worry about. A very solid piece of kit. Then we had a look at a 3655, very close by to there in Ashbourne. Again, very nice tractor, very straight, but just a little on the large side for what Tom was looking for. And on the way home we stopped off at Mark Weatherhead's to look at a 3060 and a 6120. A nicer man you couldn't wish to meet than Mark Weatherhead. Although we turned up late, it was 4:30 in the afternoon, took the time to show us around, stopped and had a chat. Had bought a combine from Mark probably 5 years ago, and he was nothing but helpful. I know I'm a Massey man, but I really did get sidetracked by this Case 1056 XL. Anyone who gets this is going to be super thrilled. What a lovely tractor that is. As I say, Tom looked at the 3060 and the 6120, and I'd look at the two 6480s. They're very nice too. And comment below which, if any, of the 4 tractors Tom will purchase. Thank you for watching.
Sort of doing things like edge cutting, they're not doing that work now, and they get put away. Yeah, it is that, you know. Yeah, it's just trying to find this, just debating whether I go for something a little bit earlier or